This is Naren, and today I want to rant. I want to rant to you about how not to communicate with your friend who is in pain or who just went through something bad.
No rain.
I've seen this. For example, Mr. A loses his job. All his buddies are around. And X comes and tells Mr. A, "Hey Mr. A, that's okay, you lost your job. I understand your pain, but 3 years ago, I had a much worse situation in which I lost a job." Or somebody of theirs who was in a much worse situation and lost a job. They start comparing the person's pain with their own pain or somebody they know, their pain. And it doesn't work. It just is a poor way to sympathize and empathize with somebody in pain. So if somebody's in pain, this is what we gotta do. We just gotta be in their presence, give them support, even if we don't have so much to say, just be and hold their hand maybe. Show them gestures, actions. It's not necessary to use a logic and a blabbering to reduce their pain by comparing their pain with somebody else's pain. So let's stop doing that and be present with a person who's gone through something bad. Let's become better communicators. I hope this message resonates with you. It's coming from my heart. Much love. I'll see you in my next video.